I worship you, Almighty God. There is none like you. I worship you, O Prince of Peace. This is what I long to do. I give you praise, for you are my righteousness. There is none like you. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. For I can search for all eternity, Lord, and find there is none like you.